Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Baqarah Ayah number 101. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ولما جاءهم رسول من عند الله مصدق لما معهم نبذ فريق من الذين أوتوا الكتاب كتاب الله وراء ظهورهم كأنهم لا يعلمون Walamma. Circle your lips to pronounce wow. You're not using your teeth to touch the lower lip to pronounce wow. Be very careful to pronounce it. Wa. And for fatha, open your jaws. Jaws is you detach the jaws, and that is when you can pronounce fatha. Wa lam. Lam is attached with meme. And can you see what is there on meme? We already took this rule that whenever you find noon with tashdid or meme with tashdid, I hope you can see my cursor. So noon with tashdid and meme with tashdid, what you will do, you will keep this sound of meme into your nose for 2 haraka long, and that is called gunna. And we take the abbreviation of gunna as G. So you are doing gunna over here. Lam, you are keeping the sound in your nose. And it is for 2 haraka long. Walamma, ma is 2 haraka long. To why? Why we are stretching ma? Because it is part of mad asli. Look, can you find this here? Can you see my cursor? Yes, the alif, and before alif you find fatha, you make it 2 haraka long. Ma, you find alif here, and there is fatha on meme before it, so you will stretch the sound of alif. Walamma. Ja is 4 haraka long because you find after mad letter, this is mad letter. Alif, and before alif you find fatha, this is mad letter. And whenever you find hamza after fatha, mad letter, you will stretch it 4 haraka long. You will not keep this mad letter 2 haraka long, but you will prolong it for 4 haraka long mad. Ja is short. Look, sometimes people mix it and make it one thing, but this ja is separate and a is separate thing. This a is separate. So ja is 4 haraka long, and then there is a sound of a. Ja hum. That should be very clear and separate from these sounds should be separate. Ja is strong letter. You are pronouncing it from your throat. This mud is from your jaw, vacuum of your vacuum, and that is the part of your mouth and your throat. That is a vacuum from where you pronounce mud, but hamza comes out of your throat. So these two things are very much different. Ja hum. And what you are doing on meme with tawassut? Yes, you are giving tawassut. Subhanallah. I already gave you answer. So you are doing tawassut here. Why? Because meme is with sakoon. Whenever you find these 5 letters with sakoon, you will give tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. You will not stop meme abruptly, but you will give it a little more sound. Hum. Ra is always heavy when it has fatha or dhamma. Whenever ra has dhamma, pesh or zabar on it, it will be heavy. Ra, this should be the sound. Ra, su. Su is 2 counts long. Why? Because there is waw sakina, and before waw sakina you find dhamma, you find pesh. So you will keep it 2 haraka long. Rasulum. What you are doing here? Yes, meme with tashdid. What you are doing, you are keeping the sound in your nose for 2 haraka long. And that is called what? Gunna. And you will give it a symbol of G. G. Gunna. Rasulum min. Yes, for noon second, there are so many rules going on, and you can see it beside. It is written for you, and this is the part of Lun Umar. Whenever you find these 5 letters with sakoon, you will give tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound, and the abbreviation of it is T. Min. Ain. The ain should be from your throat, very clearly from your throat, not from your mouth. And look, this is the part of, yeah. Can you see my cursor? Yeah, here. You can find in your throat. So, ain dillahi. D for kasra, give E sound. Ain dillahi. He. And whenever you find kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you make it light. It is now today, right here, you will keep it light. Dillahi. Mu. For every dhamma, you circle your lips. Mu. Swaddi. Swad is heavy letter. And for fatha, keep your jaws open. Musa, saddi. For kasra, give e sound. Musaddi. It's not musaddi. It's not musaddiqalli. No, it's musaddi. Musaddi qul. For dhamma, circle your lips and attach with lam. Qulli. For kasra, give e sound. Ma. 2 counts long. Why? Because this is part of this mad asli. Look, can you see this alif? Alif sakna qablaha maftuh. Alif before alif. If you find fatha, you keep it 2 haraka long. Look, we are making it long. Li ma. Ma is short. Ain is short, and ain is a part of your throat letters. So it should be from your throat, not from your mouth. Ma, a. You have to practice a lot to pronounce ain. Ma, a. Ma short, a short. Hum for ha. Circle your lips. And for meme, what you will do on meme, this is tawassut, medium flow of sound. Hum. You will keep the sound little longer and don't stop it abruptly. It's not hum nabada. No, it's hum ma'ahum nabada. Na is short, ba is short, na ba da. And remember how you pronounce that. You put the tip of your tongue the under your under 2 frontal teeth, then you will able to pronounce the. Na, ba, the, fa, fa. I already told you to give this fa sound. Give a little breath in it. Fa, and it is short. Re is long. Why? Because you find ya sakina, and before ya you find kasra. You will keep it 2 haraka long. Fa ri qum. You will give kunna here because meme is with tashdid. Whenever you find meme with tashdid, you will give gunna, and it is a longer gunna. Keep the sound for a longer time in your nose. Qummi. For kasra, give E sound. Nalla. Noon is attached with lam. And for fatha, give very short sound. Nalla. La. The. Again, the is long. Why? Because there is ya, and before ya you find kasra. Look, there is what we discussed. Ya, when you find ya and before ya you find kasra, you keep it 2 haraka long. The na is short. Ooh, it is long. Why? Because wow sakina qablaha madmum. There is wow and you find dhamma before it, you will keep it 2 haraka long. Ooh. Tul. Now you say that you are right that why are you not making this long too, because this is wow and before wow you find dhamma. But here is the one other condition is applying. This ta is directly attached with this lam, so this wow is not being pronounced right now. So if you are attaching this ta with lam, this is dropped. This long vowel is dropped. So it will be tul. It will not be long and then you will pronounce it, attach it with lam, but it will be short at the very beginning. Okay. It is not tul kitab. Tul kitab. No, it's not long. It's tul. Ta is attached with lam is wa and wow is dropped here. U, tul, ki is short, ta is 2 counts long, ba is short. Kitaba, ki. Every kasra has e sound. Don't say k. It's not k. Ki, ta is 2 counts long. Ballahi. Whenever you find fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Okay? This is Allah is the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So whenever you find fatha, zabar before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you will keep this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name heavy, and the heavy sound is law. Kita ballahi wa. For wow, circle your lips, and for fatha, open your jaws. Ra, 4 haraka long. A, this ra is separate sound, and this hamza has a separate sound. A, wa, ra, dhu. Circle your lips well and keep your for the makhraj of dha is to keep your tip of your tongue under the frontal two teeth. Dhu, who. Circle your lips well for dhamma, who, and it is 2 counts long. Why? Because there is waw sakina, and before waw sakina you find dhamma. Zuhuri. Ri is short, and for kasra e sound. Zuhuri. Him. Again meme with sukoon, and you will give tawassut. You will not stop it abruptly, but you keep the sound little longer. Him. Ka is short, and noon for with noon tashdid you will give you will give gunna on noon. Gunna is keeping your sound keeping the sound in your nose. And this is what where I'm going to do gunna. كأن na is short. Hum for dhamma, circle your lips well, and for meme second you will give tawassut. Yes, inshallah it will get easy for you when you will keep on writing these rules. If you will write and keep on repeating, inshallah it will ingrain in your brains, inshallah. كأنهم La is 2 haraka long. Why? Because there is alif, and before alif you find fatha. It is 2 haraka long always. La, ya. For fatha, open your jaws. For ain, you'll give tawassut because this is part of lin umar. Look, lam, noon, ain, mim, ra. Whenever you find these 5 letters, any of these five letters, you and it will be in sukoon, so you will give tawassut. Yeah, la is short. Moon. You will give mad arid sukoon here, and when you will stop, there will be sukoon on the on noon, and which because you are stopping here, so you will give tawassut. لا يعلمون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك، أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت، أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.